Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop a video on the Clipchamp application. So first of all, of course, all we need to do, just go and open the Clipchamp application if you already have it downloaded into your Windows. Of course, if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Microsoft Store or any browser you're currently using. Once you do that, you will be good to go. And of course, if you are a Windows 11 user, you will find this per default already downloaded into your Windows. If you are a Windows 10 user, you may found it and you may not found it, so be careful. If you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, go and download it. And download steps must be easy because you must have been downloaded something in your PC before. So of course, once you download it, or if you already have it, just go and open it up as I'm going to do here to follow the tutorial steps. And here, normally this will be actually your home screen, your main screen. And now you would like to log in into your account if you have one, but if you don't have an account, just go and create one. So you can actually use the application for free. You can even like subscribe to them if you want to have the full features. And here you can actually start a new edits, record something edits on it on the application, or choose some of their templates here. As you can see, they have a lot. Or you can just go and open some of your recent edits to keep even editing. And here I would like to show you how to crop a video, as we said. So of course, first of all, if you have you can just import your video from here, or you can just go here to some of their stocks videos. You can see there are some videos here free to use, and you can stock them or use them. Let me just delete those so we don't have a lot of things here. And as you can see, let me even just delete this as well. Delete this, and let's just use this as an example. We would like to crop this, so make sure to select it. Once it's selected, you will find this options here. And of course, if you want to crop the video, you can just go here and click at this, and as you can see, crop it however you want. Let's say as an example, we're gonna use this, or sorry, we're gonna crop it like into this, and click at this check mark, and as you can see, the video will be cropped. You can even zoom now the video, and you will be good to go. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.